made up the frame for the shed door. So we're going to install the frame and decide how we're going to trim it out.
So that's a hook you made?
Yep.
In the forge?
Also I had the toilet paper holder.
Oh, cool. Can't leave it on there though, because the squirrels and the mice would have a ball.
Yeah, but...
Well, that looks good. I like the leaf. You made that in the forge too, so cool. So this is because you got no place to hang your coat.
Yeah, you need some place to hang. Get in here, so. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I could center this and still catch the 2x4.
Oh, okay. You want me to hold it? Yeah, that's fine to do there because I just want to make sure that they get enough meat here to. Okay.
Metal on, it's going to overlap. It'll butt up against here, and it'll match up to the ribs on this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll have to notch it out here, and then we'll bring the steel down to about there. You know,
Right.
and it'll be strong enough.
Well, that's actually kind of good that you're going to have the hasp on that side over there because you've got the overhang that would, you know, cover it.
Protect the lock and stuff, yeah.
Well, yeah, because I mean things corrode because of weather.
And then what we'll do is just, after we get the sheet metal on here, and down here we'll trim it out with some pallet boards.
Okay. So how you're putting the screws in?
No, just you want to make sure the door sort of sits level. I think I'm going to have to adjust that bottom one a bit.
Okay.
But
Do you want?
we're getting the top done first.
All right.
What we'll do with this one here. A little bit of a gap here. The gap is fairly even.
The gap between the door and the wall. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's a little tight, eh? Oh, a backing block? Yeah, for the hasp. Okay.
Once we get the sheet metal on there, we'll know for sure.
Okay.
We'll get some bigger screws for that.
So you're gonna replace some of them with bigger screws?
Yeah, I think they should be, because I think if I hammer on impact them, they'll go right through.
Okay.
Screws are a bit too small.
Okay.
Need a number 8 or something, these are number 6.
Okay. So a number 8 is a bigger screw. Okay. Good to know.
Line up. And I think this is a factory edge right here, so that'll work good. We'll bring the factory edge. Salvaged off Norm's garage doors. That we use for the roof, for the lean-to and veranda. That's going to be the handle for the shed door.